Warm up set done. 35 kg. First rep, first set. Six. Second set 30. 50. Sorry. হয়ে গেছে, ঠিক আছে, লাগবে না, হয়ে যাবে, ইজি আছে। 3 4 5 6 Okay, it was a bit tough, but okay, let's go for 60, I guess. Okay, I did 7.5 each extra, so it's now 65. So let's do it. Baba, no, wait. Okay, did a warm up set of 80. Now it's 130. Let's go. Okay, third set, same 130. Tosh. Okay, after a successful failure to my leg press, it's time for some leg extensions. It's 40. Let's do it. 15. You know, this seat is kind of pushed out. Yeah. Oh, I think I can do it better. Yes, much better. You know, when you reposition yourself doing the thing. So let's go to 45. There you go, baby. 2 15. Fuck. Boy. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the same. 45.
চলো পাটা সোজা কর বলে আসো না পিঠ সোজা আস্তে আস্তে
Wait. Ah, boy, oh boy. You know, I gotta start taking pre-workouts. The hidden pre-workouts. That actually works. Not like some creatine or some whey protein. Talking about the real one. The real pre-workout. The forbidden one. Right?
আরেকটা পজিশন দেখাচ্ছি স্ট্রেট হো এখানটা দাঁড়া এখানটা দাঁড়া হ্যাঁ পায়ের অ্যাঙ্কেলটা দুটো এরকম আছে তো এরকম উপরে অ্যাঙ্কেলটা উপরে থাকবে কিছু করছে তোমার জটে যায় পা দেখি ফেটে বেরোবে
Yeah. Uy, mare. Ooh. Okay, I tried to do the sumo squat, but I could not. Like this portion, when I do this, I couldn't do it. I can't do the 6 kilo set. So this and this is like very weak because yesterday I did some deadlifts, so my back, this portion is just too painful right now. It's just giving me a lot of pain. So not a day. So I decided to do just basic. What do you call? Fuck. Just exhausted. Okay, I'm just too exhausted today. My god. My back hurts. Oof. Yesterday, that deadlift really costed me a lot. Oof, this back. Just too exhausted. I'll probably do something lightweight today and do till failure. It's not really excuse because it's just that there's a risk. Like if I take more weight and then try to do the same things that I usually do, I might end up injuring myself. So that's why I think it's best to just take it one step back and then go progressively instead of like doing it just because for the sake of ego satisfaction. Let's not do that.